Your 20s are defined by societal expectations. Everywhere you look, there is pressure to buy the newest phones, wear designer labels, and drive luxury cars that your income cannot yet support. By 30, many people realize they have spent a decade working hard while their net worth remains at zero. Others arrive at 30 with investments growing while they sleep. They have multiple income streams and the freedom to control their own time. Specific mathematical choices made during these 10 years determine which of these two realities you inhabit. Prioritizing the appearance of wealth is a trap. Spending your 20s trying to look rich ensures you will be broke in your 30s. Consider two individuals, Person A and Person B. Both start at age 20 with the same financial resources. Person B focuses on consumption. They ask, "What can I buy?" and spend their income on liabilities, assets that lose value the moment they are purchased. Person A focuses on ownership. They ask, "What can I own that grows in value?" and direct their capital toward appreciating assets. The difference is mechanical. An asset generates money for you. A liability takes money from you. Wealth creation requires rejecting the consumer mindset and adopting the mindset of an owner. Compound interest operates at a scale that talent or hard work alone cannot match. Starting at age 20, Person A invests $300 every month. The growth is steady and consistent. Person B waits until age 30 to start. They invest the exact same monthly amount, but they have missed 10 years of compounding. By the time they reach retirement age, Person A has hundreds of thousands of dollars more than Person B. This disparity exists because Person A started earlier. Time, not the total amount of capital invested, created the wealth. Time is the primary multiplier for wealth. Every year of delay results in a cost that can never be recovered. Savings have a natural limit. Your income, however, does not. Millionaires build an engine of multiple income streams. They focus on high-value skills and side businesses that scale. High-interest debt is the leak that destroys this engine. Using credit to buy temporary items drains the capital needed for investments. You are either paying interest to a bank or earning interest for yourself. Wealth building while carrying high-interest debt is a mathematical impossibility. It sacrifices future freedom for temporary gratification. At age 30, the trajectories are established. Person B is working to pay for their past, while Person A is being paid by their assets. Financial freedom by 30 is built through small, calculated actions repeated consistently. Your 20s are the time to build systems. They are not the time to impress people you don't care about. In 10 years, you will either thank yourself for starting today, or you will regret that you didn't. Stop spending your time just working for money, and instead, focus completely on making your money work for you.